Yamaha develops its oil alongside the engine it will be used in. Marine engines are subjected to much harder use than engines on land, and any engine trouble out on the water can lead to serious emergencies. Marine engines are also often used for long periods at either full throttle or at very low RPM, like when idling. So their resistance to wear and heat across drastically different usage scenarios requires a different level of adaptability. As these engines take in the water itself for cooling, engine temperature changes are highly dynamic, and the oil must provide lubrication across a wide range of temperatures. Additionally, a marine engine's construction expels the exhaust into the water, so also protecting the combustion chambers from corrosion is particularly important for the oil. For a Yamaha engine to deliver 100% of its performance potential even in tough environments, its design and construction are key, but the oil aiding their operation is equally vital. So, the engineers who know Yamaha engines and their requirements best should develop the oil they will use at the same time. This is why Yamaha considers oil to be a liquid engine component. Yamaha doesn't have a specialized division for oil development. Instead, that job belongs to the engineers developing the engines. Oil development is done by engineers who understand both mechanical engineering and chemistry. To avoid engine trouble on the water and ensure a long usable product life, Yamalube must not only meet various international standards, but also clear our much stricter in-house standards. In a 30-hour low RPM engine oil comparison test, Yamalube boasts much less carbon buildup, demonstrating its high detergency. There was a clear difference in carbon buildup in the high RPM test as well, and use of the competing oil resulted in piston rings sticking and piston scuffing. The saltwater spray and soak tests clearly show Yamalube's anti-corrosion advantages. Yamalube helps keep engine trouble away, enabling more hours out on the water to work and fish, and helping keep total costs in check. To ensure the engine stays in the best condition and returns everyone back to port, Yamaha engineers have the lives of the people who will rely on it in mind as they work. To wear the Genuine Yamaha label, the oil must bring out 100% of the engine's performance, as well as be safe and reliable. This is the standard we adhere to when creating Yamalube marine oil. Yamalube brings out 100% of a Yamaha's performance and is a brand found the world over. Created by the Yamaha engineers designing and building the engines, Yamalube's unique origins and growth in the quest for the ideal engine oil is what makes it a liquid engine component.